Welcome back to another video, hope you're doing well. So, we've got a couple of sets of lights here. One set is hiding under there. I have featured both of these recently on the channel. I'm sure a few of you will have seen that because there's some regulars now to the channel, which is awesome. Appreciate you. So yeah, I thought we'd just do another lighting video because I just can't help myself and have a little bit of a comparison to this set here. This is the box of this loose set, which I got on eBay, to the rather nice new set, or new old stock that, well, I say that also, well, that actually also come from eBay. But so yeah, I'm not sure on the history of both of these, but if this is the set that did originate with this box, these are identical, except this set has been very well used and I have since done a restoration on. So there's a video out on the channel if you want to see that. But anyway, yeah, so what we did in that was, hang on, let me just move these up here. It's all a bit tight, trying to feature so much on this tiny little desk. So what we did with this set, it was missing a few shades, but I had spares, lots of spares. A lot of bulbs had failed, especially the greens. The pinks were very worn out, and so were the blues. So what we did, I got a load of brand new pink bulbs from eBay. We stripped it all down, replaced all the pinks. All the working pinks become repainted bulbs for other colours that were missing, and we repainted all the blues. So it wasn't too much. This set could definitely do with a bit more work. I think now I've done it, the yellows and the reds, or the oranges and the reds, it's definitely the reds. I'm quite biased to a nice red colour, it being my favourite colour. I feel like they're a bit weak, they're a bit more on the orange side, so they could be done at some point, but that's probably not going to be something for this year. But I just thought we'd compare the two. Has it really been 2 minutes in and I haven't said the idea of the video yet? I can't words today, apparently. I just thought it'd be really interesting to compare the restored set to this, well, new old stock set. And to be honest, mostly just compare the colours. It might actually give me an idea as to whether this set does need some more restoration. I'm most curious on the blues. Now the pinks, I would presume, although that's a fuse in there, I'm assuming the pinks will look very similar between the two because, well, they were all new pink bulbs. But I'm curious what the other colours will look like and if there's any obvious differences. So let's turn this set on. This set being very interesting for the neon on the plug. There we are. Look at that. And don't get me wrong, it's an incredibly pretty set. It could do with some cable rebraiding here and there, but I just can't be bothered to do it yet, if I'm being honest. The blues, I would say, appear a little bit dimmer than what I would expect, but I did just repaint over the top of the old paint, so I think that's to be expected. But considering that's what I did, I think these turned out really well. Like I say, there's a video on the restoration on the channel if you want to check that out. Obviously, ignore that pink, it's the fuse bulb. I just didn't want to use all my new pinks up straight away, so I turned one of the pinks become the fuse. I think normally it's a yellow or a green that is used, but it doesn't really matter as long as the fuse is there somewhere. Let's open up this lovely box of new old stock. Again, this did recently, I did feature this recently in a video showcasing them. It's just kind of cool that I've ended up with, yeah, the set I wanted to restore just happens to be the same, even with the same box. Oh, the fuse bulbs come out there. Let's plug this set in. Yeah, I sort of mostly stated in the video that I wasn't fully sure what to do with this set because, well, I can't bring myself to unbox it, so I can never really fully enjoy it. But I will be honest, there is something really, really pleasing about having them all in the box like this. Right, let's turn them on. Wow. So, it's going to be a little bit awkward to try and see both, especially in the small format we have, but also in the fact that this set obviously isn't lined up in order and doesn't have a white background. So, but you know what? First things first. So this does have the yellow as a fuse, which I did think, or the orange in this case. First things first, okay, yeah, the oranges, this is going to be so awkward to film. And again, the camera's probably not going to pick up much difference. Yeah, looking at that. Okay, this is slightly lighter on the camera, but it is very negligible. I think I painted one of these bulbs, and I think it's that one. It's normally quite obvious which ones I've done extra coats on. I did do an extra coat on one of these reds, and I'm pretty sure it's that one there. So that's what I'm saying. The ones I've actually repainted to have a little test are obviously richer in colour. But you know what? Looking at it though, looking at these side by side, as best I can, I don't think there's much difference. Even the blues on this set they are just noticeably dimmer. But that's kind of the reason we tend to prefer these lights over the new LEDs anyway, because the new LEDs, the blues are absolutely eye retina burning. But yeah, like, some of the blues on this the set here are a little bit uneven. Some are a little bit darker than the others. But yeah, do you know what? On this set, they almost looked a little bit washed out in comparison. Maybe this set has been used previously in the box for a little while. I don't know. I've had it on a few times, obviously. But I would say the blues definitely look a little bit more washed out looking directly at them. But then, to say, these are double coated in places now. So, yeah. And actually, again, even the reds, they're definitely red on this set. But yeah. Do you know what? Compared to me double coating that, even that looks noticeably redder. Well, yeah, to be honest, to be quite honest, and actually even look at the loops. Some of the loops on this set are a little bit apart. So maybe that the braiding isn't really the end of the world. It's definitely bad round the plug on both sets. I mean, obviously this set that I've restored, it is quite bad near the plug. I mean, the braiding just sort of gives up, but that area is not hard to just refix. I just have to unwire it and then re-loop it a bit. But yeah, I don't know. I was expecting a big difference here. I thought this was going to be really interesting, this video, and maybe it is still interesting because, well, the outcome is they look very, very similar. But I expected a much, much bigger I've done the camera. I expected a much bigger difference between the two, but actually they look very, very similar. And I'm not going to lie, the pinks that I've put in here, maybe they're a newer bulb in general, are like even more vibrant and bright than the original set to the eye. The camera, it's the differences are really, really small, and they're the sort of differences that aren't going to convey very well on a phone camera, unfortunately. So yeah, maybe we'll have to leave that there because it's just too minimal to compare. But hey, that's actually a good thing, realistically. Not good for video content, but good because it means this restored set is looking very fresh indeed, and it is just really, really pretty. There's just something so cool about that as well. But yeah, especially on the background of the wood, the beigey wood there, they look really, really nice. And I say I actually had them up for a little while. I'll roll the footage over from a previous video. I had them up testing this year's decoration, which I really should get onto because we're nearly 2 weeks into December. And they just look so good. They look really, really good. And this is the wall hanging feature. I shall mount this on the wall like that. I've actually been tempted to do that with some of these box sets, but I don't know. I should probably not run them too often because, well, it's nice to have clean items, isn't it? I mean, let's face it, a lot of people... I collect Hot Wheels as well, if you don't know, which will be surprising because that is the bigger channel of mine. I say big, it's not, but, you know. And a lot of Hot Wheels collectors and die-cast collectors like me will collect things to leave in the box just so they're clean and fresh and look nice or whatever. Boxed items are always sought after, and I guess it's kind of the same thing with these. Just less people tend to do it at Christmas lights for some reason. Anyway, right, I'm not going to box them up now because that'd be very difficult on camera. So yeah, let me know what you think. I don't know what. just let me know what you think. Hey, the previous video of the restoration kind of had all the... Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Do you reckon these were a worthy restoration? And do you reckon I should carry on and maybe paint the rest of the bulbs and tar up the cable a bit more? But anyway, that is all for now, I think. You can tell this video has gone a weird route of me not knowing how to finish it, can't you? Thanks, but I'm just sort of moving things around like a lost, I don't know. I'm just lost. Well, that's one way of ending a video. Cheers for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Let me know what you think of these lights down below. And check out the rest of the Christmas lighting stuff on the channel, because there's tons of it. There's an Advent series as well if you want to check it out, but it's not everyone's cup of tea. So yeah. Cheers for watching. I'll see you in the next one.